vlogging the gate.
So for today's video, I'm gonna be filming how I pack for our coming trip outside of the country. For this one, I got this from Ulta for I think $5. This is on sale. It was originally priced at about $12.99. So I'm gonna be using this one as Zyla is my baby. She's 11 months old, going to be a year old next week. And I'm gonna be preparing an emergency kit for her since we will be traveling out of the country. So this is what I got from Target. It's Pedialyte. I think these are different flavors: grape, strawberry, apple. And this is what the box look like. And there's like 8 packets in a box, and all you have to do is mix 1 packet of Pedialyte powder with 8 ounces of water. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be needing this one, but just to be sure, I'm gonna bring this one with me. So I'm gonna put this in here. And the next one that I got is this teething gel pods from Baby Ganix, because she's teething right now. And I also have another one from Camellia. It looks like the Camellia drops looks like capsules, so they're easily put in a bag. For this one, I think I'm just gonna take it out of the box so it's not bulky. Oh, so it looks like you have the cotton tip swabs. And you have little pods right here that looks like this. And it's benzocaine free. The other one for her teething problems, we have this one, the Camellia. And it looks like little capsules with water in it, but I'm not sure what's inside. I forgot. I've already thrown the box. But this is like a natural way of easing the toothing pain of your babies. And you just twist this one and then you just press so that the liquid will come out. And I think you're only allowed to give 1 or 2 of these in a day. But you can check the instructions on the box. And then in each pack, I think there's 5 of these. So that's another one that we're gonna be bringing. So I'm gonna put it right here. I brought 2 with me so that we have 10 because we will be gone for 2 weeks. And then, what else do we have here? So I got this travel size face and body lotion and shampoo and body wash from the Honest Company. Right now, what Zyla is using is the Cetaphil Baby Gentle Wash because she has really bad eczema. And she also uses the Dove Body Wash, but they don't have the travel size there at Target, so I just got the Baby Dove lotion. And this is not travel size too, as well as with the Cetaphil. It's not travel size because it's about 230 ml. So I can't carry this one in our carry-on bag. So what I'm gonna be doing is check this in, both of these. And since I'm afraid that we're gonna lose our bags, so just in case that happens, worst comes to worst, I got this one, the travel size body wash and lotion from the Honest Company, just in case something happens so we can't use this one. So at least I have this in a bag until we can get these 2 in the other country that we will be going to. So I'm gonna be taking it out of the box because I'm not gonna be bringing the box with me. So this is what it looks like. Honest shampoo plus body wash is the orange one, and the lotion is the baby blue one. So I'm gonna put that in here, and then this is gonna be for packing. I don't know. And then I also got this travel size Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. So I'm gonna be putting that here in her emergency kit. And I also got these infant Tylenol and infant drops Motrin, because we already have the Motrin, but it was a big one, so I got the smaller sized one. And I remember that when my nephew got sick, my sister had been giving him the Tylenol, but his fever did not go down. So when my sister brought him to the ER, the doctor said that if that happens, you can switch to another brand. So switch to Motrin. So when the doctor switched it to Motrin, his fever his fever went down. So I was thinking, might as well bring both, just in case something happens. At least we have these in her emergency kit. So I'm gonna be bringing this and take it out of the box. So this is what it looks like for Motrin. It comes with the what do you call this one? The syringe. But I think the instructions are already in. Yeah, so there's like how many pounds and age, and then how much you can give to the baby. So it's, I think, 1.25 mil for, I don't know, I think 6 to 11 months. So that goes in here. And the Tylenol one, it's a big bottle. So it comes with the yellow. Okay. And I also got pads for me from Target. And then I also got this, the Just Prunes by Plum Organics. Because Zyla, since she's at the age where she's currently switching from baby food to semi-solid food, she's kind of like constipated. So this really helps her a lot. I mix it with her fruits, but by itself she doesn't like it. But if I put it in the fridge and it's really cold, then she likes it. So I'm not gonna be bringing it as carry on. I'll be checking this in, so just in case she gets constipated outside of the country, I have a backup, so I can use this one. And then I also bought her some snacks on the plane. So she loves this Happy Baby organic yogis. So she has the strawberry ones, and she also has these Happy Baby organic creamies, the apple, spinach, pea, and kiwi. And also this one, it's another one of these, the strawberry. So that's what I got for her. And then I think that's it. And then for me and Nathaniel, I bought the Fiber One Chewy bars, the chocolate flavor. And we also have chips right here, so that we can bring it in the plane. We have Cheetos, and we have Ruffles. And another way to make sure that your stuff don't get damaged, the stuff inside your checked-in baggage don't get damaged, I always buy this bubble wraps and I layer it on the what do you call that one, on the bag before I put some stuff so that they have some cushion in there. So I got 2 of these. Hopefully this will be enough. So let's start packing. Ano ka, dito na ito layer. Ito pa mo din.
Ang gala.
Pinaresibo.
Kung ano ni mapost, makanin natin sa Pilipinas.
Check in this release.
Ay, nay kayo.
Hindi ko mo push sugar.
Ka-internet lang.
Dito yung kayo guys. Nya. Mura na ko na may day.
May gora.
Pani kay hatag ko na lang yung mama. Mo na madaugan. Hatag ko mama ha. Hindi ako tutong dire.
Utang?
Oh, isu na nato dire siya ko ano.
Oh, pwede rin.
May ibuka ka. Oh, may guli. Ang Z, hindi lang mga stuff. Ayan. Uy, ayan, Gary, tani kita mag-brush ko sa airplane. Toothbrush na ito. Uy, so kumani.
Sublihan siguro na. Kaya lang din na siya sa box.
Hindi lang makataong. And then, yung emergency kit, diha lang na siya siyang baggage, yung paperworks. So, itong problema, ay,
Chocolates.
ang chocolates. Saan natin sila ilalagay?
Nakay sa kabag ako ng tukabaon.
O, basta tang sa taan ako.
Ang brita.
Ay, di ba, dili ang bripa, no? Wait a minute.
Hindi kita kadagat ng sinina.
Wala na, di mamalit na lang tayo.
No chance.
Uy, atong for next day. So, emergency kit.
Siap up. Siap.
Kita, susukan tayo dito. Susuk na Rita. Ang dulcer na anyway eh. Ano isang bata na tanan. Ako ha. Ako ano. So what is left here? Kay mo ha. Hala, ang gatos ni Sidi nabuang.
Kabulki.
We will find a way, guys. The importance na, priorities is priorities. O niya, o sa ano,
Wow.
hindi ka sana ako siya iluta. Ang nuts, bilit na sure sa nuts. Guys, ang kanina naman siguro ako, otherwise, imuha naman siguro na. Pero ako tayo sa kabag, diba?
Napa.
So, there yun siya. Shucks, diaper ni City.
Patay ang diaper. Malit na lang ka dito.
Ay, ang diaper, hindi man mo malukot.
Vlogging. The gate.
Day 42. Day 42. Day 42. Day 42.